someone there? I can hear you. Get me out of this thing.
Is someone in there?
Let me out!
Who are you?
My name is Billy. Please, I've been trapped in here for so long.
How did you end up in there?
I hid in here to get away from the bombs. But there isn't a handle on the inside, and it's really dark in here.
The bombs were over 200 years ago. You're that old?
I don't know how long I've been in here. A long time, though. A really long time. Please, I don't want to die in here.
Let me think about it.
You're just gonna leave me in here? Don't go! Come back! I want out!
Who are you?
Who's there? Let me out!
I'm just looking for the mayonnaise. Maybe you could grab it for me? Second shelf, right next to the pudding?
That's not funny. That's not funny at all. What kind of horrible person would say that to a kid stuck in a refrigerator? Besides, I ate the pudding a long time ago.
You might be lying.
I'm not, I swear. I got inside to be safe. Now I can't get out. If I try something, you can shoot me.
Okay. I'll let you out.
Yes, I've been stuck in here for so long. Hurry up, shoot the door off. My legs are so stiff. Everything's so different. I guess I was in there for a really long time. What do I do now?
So, what's the story with you in that fridge?
It happened so long ago, back before everything got wrecked. When I heard the sirens, I tried to find someplace safe. When everything started to shake and fall apart, I just crawled inside. When it got quiet again, I tried to get out, but there isn't a handle on the inside. I just want to go home. Can you help me? Please?
Well, where did you live?
Quincy, but I don't know how to get there. Everything's so different. It's all blown up. I just want to find out what happened to my mom and dad.
I hate to tell you this, but, your parents are probably dead.
Dead? You really think so? Then I'm all alone. Who's going to take care of me? You?
Were your parents... were they good to you?
Yeah, my dad was the best. My mom always took care of me.
What does your heart say?
They are still alive. They have to be. I want to go home. It's really bright out.
Hey, Billy.
I hope we find out what happened to my mom and dad. I guess I was in that fridge for a really long time. Are you sure this is the right way?